Hello, my dear grade 8 children. Today we are going to discuss General Paper 6. In our previous sessions, I have done General Paper 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to download, or if not, I will provide this paper to our groups. You can download, you can go to the description box, and then you can download the paper. This session consists of 25 questions from 12 topics that we already covered this 12 topic up to now. Number factors, perimeter, angles, directed numbers, square roots, factors, fractions, decimals, algebra, triangles, quadrilaterals, indices, decimals, and symmetry. And I have arranged these 25 questions from these topics. The speciality of this session is we have chance to repeat the work that we have done up to now. Right, then after finish the session, you are getting the online test paper arranged in Google form. You have to submit it within 1 hour. Then that is really very important for me to see your evaluation as well as for you to see your development. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe and after download the paper, and your likes and your comments are very important. After do the Google form paper, please add your comment to our comment box. Right, then I will start our general paper 6. First question, evaluate the following. First question is evaluate the following. This is from the indices topic. First one, 3 to the power 2 into 5. Three to the power 2 into 5. 3 2 times. 3 times 3 is mean 9. 9 times 5, 45. Next one, 4 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So how many 4s here? 3 4s. 4 to the power 3 is mean 64. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64 into 2 times 2, 4. That is 256. Next question. 4 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. It should correct the same sum I have included, but paper, it is not like that. I think I have included here 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. 3 to the power 3 is 27. 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 to the power 2 is 4. 27 into 4, 4 times 7, 28, to remainder, 28 to remainder, 4 times 2, 8. 8 and 2, 10, 108. Next question, minus 1 to the power 4. If you know that if a number multiplied by odd number of times, that is minus into minus like that, then it's mean 5 times if it is there, minus 1. But this is even number of times, right? Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 again into minus 1, minus 1 again into minus 1 plus 1. Then 1 into 5 to the power 2 is mean 5 times 5, 25 into 4. 25 times 4 is 100. Next question. Express as a power of product. Express as a power of product. Then you can write here 1000 q to the power 3. 1000 is mean you can write it as 10 to the power 3 q to the power 3. Then you can write 10 q to the power 3. 64. 8, then we can write this as 4 to the power 3. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. Then 4 to the power 3, x to the power 3. Then you can write it as a power of product, 4x to the power 3. And 81p to the power 3. 81 we can gain 9 to the power 2, 3 to the power 4, and p to the power 3. Instead of 90, I think in my FAF I have included here. This is not p to the power 3, p to the power 2. You have to correct this one. I think my paper I have put the correct one. We can write here 9 to the power 2, p to the power 2, then 9p to the power 2. 121 x to the power 2. 121 x to the power 2. 121 we can write 11 squared x squared. So 11 x to the power 2 is the answer here. Express as a power of quotient. So how can we write this? 9 you can write as 3 squared, p squared, 4 is a square number, 2 squared. Then you can write 3 phi over 2 to the power 2. This one 64 phi to the power 2. 64 you can write 8 squared, p squared. 400 you can write 20 squared. 2 phi over 20 to the power 2. 1000. 10 to the power 3, x to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, y to the power 3. 10x, 3y to the power 3. 10x, 3y to the power 3. Now look at this 27p to the power 2, 12y to the power 2. 27 you can write, now we can simplify over the line and below the line. Over the line it is 27, we can divide it by 3. That 9 3s are here and 4 3s here. 9 and 4 are square numbers. First we'll write like this 9p squared, 4y squared. 9 is a square number, 3 squared, p squared, divide by 2 is a, 4 is a square number, 2 squared, y squared. So 3p over 2y to the power 2. The 2y to the power 2. Next question, fourth question. Find the perimeter of the following. The length of a rectangular shaped playground is twice its breadth. If the perimeter of the playground is 360 meters, find its length and breadth. Playground, it is a rectangular shaped playground, and the length, let's take the breadth as x. Breadth as x. Then they are saying here length is twice the breadth. It means this is 2x. Then we have to find the length and breadth of the playground. Here also x, here also 2x. Then perimeter of the playground you can write x plus 2x plus x plus 2x. Perimeter 6x. Perimeter has given here 6x equal 360 meter. Both side divide by 6. Simplify. Then x equals 36 divided by 6, 0 meter. 60 meter mean breadth is 60 meter, length is 2x, then 2 into 60 meter, that is 120 meter. Length is 120 meter, breadth is 60 meter. Calculate the perimeter of the following figure. That is this is a regular, all the sides are equal. So here 6 centimeter, then here also 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. We can't add this internal line. We have to find around the boundary. So perimeter equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sixes are here. 6 into 6 centimeter, 36 centimeter. Find the area of the following compound figure. This is a compound figure. Let's name this is as A and this is as B. Area of figure A. 8 centimeter into 3 centimeter, that is 24 square centimeter. Area of figure V. 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter, 12 square centimeter. The total area, we have to add these two. 36 square centimeter. Total area is 36 square centimeter. Question number 6. Find the magnitude of the given angles. Right? Mention the regions inside the bracket. Not only the magnitude, you have to mention the region. Right? Now look at here. X plus 7. 180, the reason is supplementary angles. X decreases plus 70 decreases equals 180 supplementary angles. X equals 180 minus 70. X angle equals 110. If you know the X, then you can find the Y and Z. You know that Y also straightly you can write 70. Vertically opposite. I will write opposite. Vertically opposite angle, that is the reason. And X equals Z. That is also vertically opposite. So we can write here, we have to find the Z here. Z equals 110. Now we got the values for X, Y, Z. Next say in here, find the values of PQRS angle. Sorry, it should be angles. PQRS angles. Here now look at, we have learned in our angle lesson, X equals P corresponding, Q equals 70, they are corresponding angles. Q angle equals 70, corresponding angles. And we got the value for y 70. If y is 70, this y and q are equal. The reason is alternate angles because this is in between two parallel lines, right? Then we can write here y equals q. The reason alternate we got y equals 70, so that q also 70. Earlier also we got it. That way also we can get the value for q, right? Then corresponding, if you got it for corresponding or alternate, then you can get the correct answer. We got the q, then we can get the value for the r. Z equals r, then also corresponding. Then we got the value for r, no, Z equal r, Z previous part, then r equals 110. Then we can get the value for this side also. Z equals P here. Z equals P. What is the reason? Alternate. Z angle, I will write it here. What is the reason? Alternate. Z is here how much? 110. Then you can write here P equals 108. We got Q, R, Phi. Last letter is S. Then Q equal S vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. Q equal S. Then you can write the value for S. We got the Q 70. Then we can write here S angle equals 70. In this way, when transversal cut the two parallel line, you can see the following angles: vertically opposite angles, corresponding angles, alternate angles, allied angles. These are all the angles. Then vertically opposite angles are equals. Alternate angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Allied angles add up to 180. Find A. 2A plus 3A. How much? They are supplementary angles at a straight line, so 180. Supplementary angles. 5A, 180. This side by 5, this side by 5. A equals 3. 3 remaining, 36. Angle A equals 36. Next question. Find the value of x. This is x3, x80, 2x. Then x decreases plus 3x plus 2x plus 80 add up to how much? 360. What is the reason for that? Angles at the point add up to 360. Means this all the angles 360. X and 3x, 4x and 2x, 6x plus 80, 360, 6x, 360 minus 80, 6x, 0, 36 minus 8, 24. X equals how much here? When we divide by 60, 0, 16 subtract 8. 8, sorry, this is 8. Then we can divide by 6. How many 6's are there? 3. 38. Right? Subtract 80. 280. 280 divided by 4x, 4x and 2x here. Yeah, you can say 2x, right? 3x and x, 4x and 2x, 6 here, 6x, that is true. Plus 80, then 80 subtract from 360, that is 280. 280, right? Then divide it. 28, how many 6's are here? 4, 24, there are 4. For reminder, 40, how many 6's? The decimal value coming. 280. 24. For reminder, 40, how many 6's are there? 6. 6 times 6, 36. For reminder, again 40. 6 times 6, 36. Recurring, right? Recurring decimals. 46.66 decreases recurring. Right? X is 46.66 decreases. Find the value of X here. We'll go to the next one. Next question. Find the value. Plus 3 into plus 4 into plus 5 into plus 3. All are plus, so final product is plus, positive. 3 times 4, 12 times 5, 60 times 3, 60 into 3, 180. 180 here, positive 180. And this one, plus 5 into minus 2, that is minus into plus minus. 5 times 2, 10, 10 times 7, 70, minus 70. And this one, minus 21 divided by plus 7 minus 3. Minus 22 divided by minus 11 plus 2. 2 times minus 3 minus 6. Next question, minus 6, plus 5, plus minus 4, plus 3. Here minus 6 and plus 5 minus 1, plus minus 4, plus 3. Then minus 1 and minus 4, minus 5 and plus 3, minus 2. Yes. Minus 6, minus 5. We have to add these two. The difference is minus 1. Minus 1 and this minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 and plus 3 minus 2. This is minus 2. Because difference of minus and plus, we have to take the difference. The largest amount is minus 5. From that, you have to take plus 3 out, then remaining minus 2. Simplify given algebraic expressions. Simplify given algebraic expressions. 7 plus, remove the bracket, 5 times 2b, 10b plus 5 plus 5b. 7 and 5, you can add like term plus 7 and 5, 12, 10b and 5b, 15b. Next question, 3b plus 4 times b, 4b, 4 times 2, 8. 3b and 4b, 7b plus 8. Next one, 9y, 2 into 2, 4y plus minus into plus minus 2 times 3, 6 minus 8. 9y minus 4y, that is 5y, minus 6 and minus 8 minus 14. 5y minus 14. 2 times p, 2p, minus into plus minus 6. 5p minus 2p, 3p minus 6. Next question, question number 10. Question number 10, you have to substitute. A equals 2, B equals 4, C equals minus 1. Evaluate the expression. A, 2. Then we can write here, A is 2. It means A squared, 2 squared. B is 4, 4 squared. C is minus 1, minus 1 squared. 2 squared is mean 4. 4 squared is mean 16. Minus 1 squared is mean 1. 4 and 16, 20, 20 and 1. What is the answer? 21. Next one, 2a squared. 2 into a is 2 squared plus 2 into b is 4 squared plus not minus, right? Into minus 1. 2 into 4 plus 2 into 16 into minus 1. 2 times 4, 8. Minus 2 times 16, 32 into minus 32. 8 minus 32 minus 24. Factorize these trinomials. 4p, 6q, 8r. So common factor is 2 here, right? Take it out. 4p divided by 2p, that is 2p, minus 6p divided by 2, 3q, minus 8r divided by 2, 4r. This is the answer. 2p minus 3q minus 4r. 9d, then you can take the 3 out. 9d divided by 3, 3d minus 12 divided by 3, 4c minus 1. 11th one, what what is the 11th? Yeah, 11th. This we have to do the 12th one, right? We have finished 11. We have to do the 12th question. This one. Answer the following questions related to following solid plane figure. This is a net of solid plane figure. All the sides are equal. This is a regular solid figure. Name the solid which can be constructed using the following net. Net has given. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what can you say about the figure? Regular octahedron. Regular How many faces are there? How many faces are here? Altogether, 8 faces are here. How many vertices are there? Vertices, 6 vertices, right? When we fold and if you arrange the figure, that we can see there are how many vertices? 6 vertices. How many edges are there? If you say this, 1, to other side it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 coming, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? We can get 12 edges. Regular octahedron, 8 faces, 6 vertices, 12 edges. Verify the Euler's relationship for the above solid figure. What is Euler's relationship? Vertices plus faces equals edges plus 2. Vertices, how many vertices? 6 vertices. Faces, 8 faces. Edges, 12 plus 2. Look at here, this side 14, this side 14. Yes, Euler's relationship is true for this, right? Thirteen. Find the HCF. Find the HCF. 15, 30, 45. 15. What are the five factors of 15? 3 times 5. 30. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 times 3, 6 times 5, 30. 45. We can take 3 into 3 into 5. 3 times 3, 9 times 5, 45. Highest common factor equals, check the common numbers, 3 common. 3 common, what is 5 also? Into 5. 3 times 5, 15. 15 is the HCF here. 4x, 6abx, 10abxy. 4x. You can write 2 into 2 into x. 6abx. 2 into 3 into a into b into x. 10 abxy. 2 into 5 into a into b into x into y. So we can take here common factors. This is common, only that. Then x also common. Then we can write HCF. How much? 2x. HCF is 2x here. We'll go to the third question. 4C, 8A, 4B. 4C you can write as 2 into C, 8A, 2 into 2 into 2 into A, 4B, 2 into 2 into p. So common factor is 2 here. Then you can write HCF, and here also 2 common. 2 times 2, 4. That is 4. Find the square root. We have learned if the power is even number of time, it is easy to divide. You can divide this one by 2. When we are finding the square root, the power index you can divide by 2. Then 2 divide by 2, 1. 7 to the power 2, then 2 divide by 2, 7. X to the power 2, then 12 divide by 2, that is 6. 25 square root 5. 9 square root 3. 1 and 2/3. Fifteenth question. Express the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Right. 676. Divide by smallest prime number 2. 3, 3, 8. Divide by smallest prime number 2. 1, 6, 9. Divisible by 13 only, right? That is 13. Again by 13, 1. 676 square root equals 2 to the power 2 into 13 to the power 2 square root. When powers are there, if it is even number of power, then we can write, you can divide this power by 2. Then 2 into 13 to the power 2 is mean 13. 2 times 13, 26. Square root is 26. 256 divided by the smallest prime number 2, 1, 2, 8. Divide by smallest prime number 2, 64. Divide by 2, 32. Divide by 2, 2. Here 8. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, 2. Divide by 2, 1. Then you can write 256 equals 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power 8 square root. It means index 8 divided by 2, 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is mean 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. The square root is 16. Square root is 16 here. And 16th one. 16th question. Uh, 405.6 ton. We have to write in tons and kilograms. Really, it is easy, right? 405 kilogram and 6 ton. Right after decimal place, 405 tons and 6 kilogram. Right, by looking at this, you can write 405.6 tons now here. Then mentally you can think and you can write 405 tons and 600 kilograms. So I will do like this. In 1 ton, 1 ton equals 1000 kilogram. Then we can convert this to kilogram. 405.6 into 1000. Then 5, 1, 2, 3 decimal places. 600 kilogram. Now converted to tons. 1000. 1, 2, 3 decimal places back. So we can write 405 tons, 600 kilograms. 405 tons and 600. Even here also you can write 10 tons and 490 kilogram. It's okay, I will do this one. Also 10.49 ton is mean you have to convert it to kilograms multiplied by 1000. 10,490 kilogram. So when we divide this is by 1000, you can get 10 ton and 490 kilograms. Question number 17. Solve the following problems. So this is related to a mass of rice bag is 80 kilogram. In a lorry, there are 200 rice bags. What is the mass of rice in the lorry? Express it in metric tons. Then mass of a rice bag. Mass of 200 rice bags. Into 200. I already explained how to multiply if it is multiples of 10. 1, 2, 3. Add 3 zeros to end of this. 2 times 8, 16. So we can write here kilograms here. You have to write it in tons, metric tons. So how many tons are here? You can divide this is by 1016 tons. Container hold 9 tons of goods. One container. How much? 9 tons. Then 4 containers. 9 into 4. 4 tons. 9 times 4, 36 tons. 36 tons. Then we have to do the 18th question. That is related to number patterns. We have to find the general term here. Question number 18. Term of the series. Nth term. Common difference. Pattern. No need to do this one. It will take like 2-3 minutes to do. Within 1 second, we can get the answer. But I want to make you understand. That's why I am doing like this. Then after that, I will show you how to get this straightly. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, nth. It means Tn. Right? In term we represent as Tn. In term, it means this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, nth. Common differences mean in this number series, right? 2 subtract 0. Then you can write common difference. If from the previous term, if you subtract this, you are getting 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Right? Nth term. Then we can write here 2. Common difference is 2. Then pattern, first one. First one into 2, right? First one into common difference, that is first one into 2 minus 2, then only we are getting 0. Second one into 2 minus 2, that is 2. Third one into 2 minus 2, that is 4. Fourth one into 2 minus 2, that is 6. Fifth one into 2 minus 2, that is 8. Nth into 2 minus 2, that is 2n minus 2. Then our general term Tn equals 2n minus 2. You can get this answer straightly without doing like this. Then how? Tn, general term, when you are finding common difference, first you have to find, right? From the previous, we have to subtract from the previous term, the first term, like this. Now look at here, 2 subtract 0, 2. 4 subtract 2, 2. 6 subtract 4, 2. 8 subtract 6, 2. This is the common difference. Then common difference into n plus first term. First term is 0. First term minus common difference. Look at here. Tn equals 2n. Here minus 2 plus remaining here 0 minus 2 is minus 2 minus 2. This is the general term. So I will find the general term like this. Get the common difference, right? Then 7 subtract 4, that is 3. 10 subtract 7, 3. 13 subtract 10, 3. Then common difference D equals 3. First term we mention as A. A equals 4. So we can find the general term Tn equals common difference into n plus first term a minus common difference. So by using this you can get, right? First common difference is how much? 3 into n, 3n. 3 into n, 3n plus first term is here 4 and the common difference is here 3. 4 minus 3. So what is our general term here? 3n plus 1. General term is 3n plus 1. If you prefer, because I have explained these two methods, sometimes in our syllabus they have explained by arranging the chart like this. But it is easy, like short questions, it is taking more time to do like this. Within 1 second you can get the general term of a number series. Next question. Find the value of x and y. Two unknowns are here, right? Then you have to find x first. X decreases plus 90 plus 85 plus 115, 360. Angles in the quadrilateral add up to 360. X decreases at this all. 90, 85, 115. 90, 85, 115. 5 and 5, 10, 1 remainder, 10 and 8, 18, 18 and 1, 19, 1 remainder, 290 here. Right now, 85, 108, sorry, 85, 90 and 110. Again at 5 and 5, 10, 1 remainder, 10 and 8, 18 and 1, 9, 1 remainder, 290. X equals 360 minus 290. 0, 16 subtract 9, 7. Yeah, we borrow 1 to here, 2 subtract 2, 0. X equals 70. X equals 70. Right, next question. Then we want to find y. X plus y equals 180. Reason is supplementary. Supplementary angles add up to 180. X is 70 plus y 180. Y equals 180 minus 70. Y equals 110. Y equals 110. 19th. Then we have to do a second part of this. 19th second part. This one. Exterior angles of a triangle. You know the exterior angles of a triangle add up to 360. Any polygon exterior angles add up to 360. X plus 110 plus 100 equals 360. X 210, 360. 150. Find the value of the angle marked X. It means you have to get the value for this X. It means these two add up to 180 supplementary. X decreases plus 70 equals 180 supplementary. 110. Then X equals 40 plus 60. The reason is, what is this? X, the sum of these two are equals exterior angles. So we can write interior, I can write exterior angle equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Exterior angle hundred. Yes, 40 and 60. That is 100. Exterior angle equals the sum of two interior opposite. This is the exterior. These two are interior opposite angles. Evaluate. Find the value. So first you can add the whole numerical part. These are whole numbers. So 2 plus 5 plus 1. Half plus 1/3 plus half. Now you can convert this to common denominator. This is by 3, this is by 3. This is by 2, this is by 2. This is by 3, this is by 3. 2 and 5, 7. 7 and 1, 8. 8 plus 3 over 6. 2 over 6. 3 over 6. 8 plus 3 and 2, 5 and 3, 8 over 6. 8 plus 1 and 2, 6. One-third, right? So we can write 8 plus 1 and 1/3. 8 and 1, 9. 9 and 1/3. Yeah, then 8 divided by 6. Just take it. 3. 2 times 1. Yeah. 2 times 1, 2. 3 times 1, 3. 5. 5 and 3, 8. 8 over 6. It means, yes, you can write 1, 2 remainder 6. Then 8 and 1, you can add these two whole numbers. That is 8 and 1, 9. Then simplify 1 below the line 3, 1 over 3. 9 and 1 over 3. Our next question is here. Find the value of 0.067 into 8.5. Then I already asked you several times in my classes when methodically doing we are converting to fractions and doing that way you can do. But it is easy for you without concern in the decimals multiply. 67, 85. 5 times 7, 35, 3 remainder. 5 times 6, 30 and 3, 33. 8 times 7, 56. 5 remainder. 8 times 6, 48. 48 and 5, 53. 5, 3 and 6, 9. 6, 5. Then now count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places front. 0.5695. 0.5695. Right, this one, 22. Simplify. First convert this to improper fraction. 2 times 12, 24 and 125 over 2 into 36. Now simplify over the line. Here 36 below the line 2, 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 into 25. 18 multiplied by 25. Is that 25? Yeah, 12 and 1 second. Right? And here 5 times 8, 40. 4 remainder. 5 times 1, 5. 5 and 4, 9. 92 times 8, 16. 1 remainder. 2 times 1, 2 and 1. 0, 15, 1 remainder, 450. In the paper, I think I have mentioned 2.5 in front of, but it is 12.5 into 36, right? That is 450. Multiply. Again, I will recheck this one. Simplify 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 into 25. 18, 25. 5 times 8, 44 remainder. 5 times 1. 5 and 4, 9, 90. 2 times 8, 16, 1 remainder. 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3. 0, 9 and 6, 15, 1 remainder, 450, yes. Next one, 3 times 1, 3, 8 times 2, 16. The answer is 3 over 16. Question number 23, simplify. 4 times 2, 8, 8 and 1, 9 over 4, divide by 3 times 2, 6, 6 and 2, 8. 3 times 2, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8 over 3. 9 over 4 into 3 over 8. Then simplify. 9 times 3, 27, 4 times 8, 32. 27 over 32. 8 times 7, 56, 56 and 7. 63, right? 63 over 8 divide by 2 times 3, 6 and 1, 7 over 2. 63 over 8 into 2 over 7. Twenty-three. 24. Answer the following questions related to this regular polygon. All the three sides are equal. This is an equilateral triangle. How many axes of symmetry here? 1, 2, 3. 3 axes of symmetry. What is order of symmetry? That is also 3. Find the angle of rotational symmetry. If you divide this angle at the point 360 by order of symmetry, you will get the angle of symmetry. Then angles at the point 360 divide by order of symmetry is 3. 120. 120 is the angle of symmetry here. 25, last sum. I told you several times without concerning the decimals multiply, finally you can separate the decimals. 1.09 by 7. 7 times 9, 63, 6 remainder. 7 times 1, 7. 2 decimal places, 7.63. This one also 12.02 by 5. 5 times 2, 10, 1 remainder. 5 times 2, 10, 1 remainder. 5 times 1, 5, 5 and 1, 6. Then now count the decimals. 1 decimal place here, here 2 decimal. 1 and 2 altogether there are 3 decimals. Separate 3 decimal places, 6.010. Sorry, this is 0, 5. Yeah. No, I have put here 0 too. In my paper, I have put 0, 5. Never mind, our answer is correct, 6.010. Never mind, if your paper, the sum is 12.05, your answer should be 6.025, right? Right. then that is 6.010. Right. We have completed 25 questions. So we already finished our session, and after finish this, soon as I will send you the paper, online test paper. So after finish it, please submit me now within 1 hour, right? Within 1 hour, then I can check your progress. Okay, then I will finish this. Thank you. Bye.